everybody. Today I want to show you this really cute lunchbox that I got for my daughter. Really great for all ages. Really cute. It comes in this plastic container here, and you just pop it open and you have all these cute little compartments inside so that you can give them a variety of stuff. Or you can actually take this out and you can microwave this on low heat if need be, or easy to wash. So I love that aspect. And then it's also really protected too, so you're not going to like crush the food or anything like that. So I love these because I like to give my daughter a variety of things. First, you gotta give them some cookies, right? I also like to give them some protein. Some assorted nuts are always really great for that. And then we love our fruit, so I like to put little oranges in here. We have little blueberries that you can use in this little hole. We also have some grapes. And this is also really great too. You can put a little sandwich in here. You can put cheese and crackers and all types of different varieties. We also cut up some fresh strawberries here. And you can really get creative here with so many different varieties and options. There's 6 little containers. And this makes lunchtime and snack time just a little bit more fun for your toddler. And just like that, see how cute and adorable it is? And then that way too, also if you have some wet products like yogurt or something like that, and you don't want your crackers to get soggy or your cookies to get soggy, this is a great way to keep everything separate. You can also put your yogurt in here and then add some different toppings and create kind of a theme. You can do breakfast or lunch or even our dinner in here. So these are so cute, and it makes it nice and compact and ready for school.
You open it. You just, yeah, you open it.
Just like that, and it's all open, and look at all that yummy snacks that you got. Don't you just love it? It's so cute, and it keeps all your snacks.
And baby too, with baby food.
Yeah, you can put all kinds of food in there. You can keep all your snacks nice and organized, huh? Do you want to take it to school with you?
Yeah.
Yeah, and even to dance class, huh? Of course, she eats the cookies first.